guys, welcome back to my channel, and to all my new subscribers. Look, I'm clumsy already, y'all. Welcome. For people that don't know, I am an upcoming polygel nail artist, whatever y'all want to call me. I'm just learning and just advancing my skills over time. So I do appreciate all my new subscribers and all the comments and encouragement. So everything that you see right here, I might be using, but not everything. Not everything, because I'm probably just use like one out here, one thing out of here. But yeah, so we just play around. I am doing like a Valentine's Day heart thing, whatever. But other than that, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're feeling generous, go ahead and leave a comment down below, because you guys know I love talking to y'all, because y'all crack me up for real. But other than that, let's get started. Okay, you guys, so let's get started. So I already put my nail tips on. And I did use the Peelable base coat by Unity, so I can pop these nails off. So I am going to go in with my MelodySusie nail drill and taking a 120 sanding bit. Now I am going to show you guys how I kind of like shape my nails with the nail drill and nail file. So if you see me go back and forth between shaping the nail while I'm taking the shine off the nail, then that's usually how I do it. I did notice that I don't really go into detail on how I do it. So in this part of it, I am just going to just let it run through so I can show you guys how I shape my nails just in general. So I'm going to play some music and you guys can enjoy.
Kick.
Okay, you guys, so now that these have been shaped, I am going to go in with my 3-in-1 base coat. But for my new subscribers, you can use this as a nail glue solution, like if you do press on nails and stuff. I never used it for like nail glue, so don't quote me on that. I don't know if it's good like nail glue wise, but it is good for a base coat, I will say that. So I'm just going to put these all over the nails here. And then after I put these all over the nail, just for my new subscribers, I do use the Makartt nail UV light, and I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. So after I cure it, I'll be right back. Okay, so before I actually cure these, which I already did, to be honest, I'm gonna have to go back in and put some more base coat on there. I am gonna put some of these hearts on there. I am gonna use a wax pen and place these how I want them placed. So I'm gonna go in between the Okay, you guys, so I'm going to use the nail extension gel by Makartt in the color Rose. So let me just squeeze some of that down to the top. And I'm just going to put some all over this nail, that nail, and that nail. Wait. No, these two nails. Haha, can't count. All right, so I'm going to start right here by the cuticle. I should have put this in some hot water. But then I'll be forgetting, y'all. Okay, you guys, so I just used some alcohol in a non-lint cotton swab to just take the tacky layer off. So I'm gonna go in with an 80 by 80 and start hand shaping my nails. Okay, you guys, so now that I shaped the sides of them, I didn't really go in the hand file like I normally do and do all of that, because to be honest, I'm just going to use my nail drill just to make this a little bit quicker, because I have a feeling this is going to kind of be, I'm sorry, I'm scratching. This will kind of be a long video. Did I say that right? This is somewhat going to be a long video. So I'm gonna go in with my nail drill by MelodySusie, and I'm gonna use a 80 by 80 sanding bit, and I'm gonna start filing the top layer part down. guys, so these are how the nails look at the hand filing and doing the nail drill. So I'm gonna go in with my Maryton buffer. God, I can't talk. It's a 60 100. So these are 60s, 60 and it's a 100. So I'm just going to use the 60 side and buff my nails out. Okay, you guys. So I just buffed my nails and I just did take the dust off by wiping it with alcohol. Now, I am feeling matte with this nail set. So I'm going to go in with my SVC matte top coat. And I'm going to put this matte top coat on all the nails. Okay, you guys. So this is how they look with the matte top coat. Oh, they look cute or whatever. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw some, attempt to draw some hearts without putting like the heart rhinestones on there. So I'm gonna go in between this pink and this red and this white. So let me put some on this dish real quick. Okay, you guys, I have to swap out some pink. So I used the two Model 1s colors and the number 0240 and 0555. It's a white and red color, which is these two colors. And then I used the one by Makartt called Tanger. Oops. And the one by Makartt called Sprinkles. So this is what Sprinkles look like, and this is what Tanger look like. So I do have a few of these, as well as a few of these. So I think I need like 4 of them, probably. Don't know yet. Okay. So I'm gonna start with this color. I'm gonna put some white. So I'm gonna just do 2 dots. And then I'm going to take one of these brushes, dip in some alcohol a little bit, and then I'm just going to dip a little bit into the white. Wait a minute, what's going on with this brush now? Let me cut this real quick. I'll be right back. I'm back, y'all. It had a little string that was just out there. Glad I caught that. So I'm just going to take this in and bring it down. Then take a part of that and then bring it down. Okay, you guys, so these are how the hearts turned out. I did put a little top coat inside the hearts and then cured that for 60 seconds. So now I want to go in with these butterflies. Hold on, y'all. I have to get my little tweezers. Not buff. What did I just say before? These hearts. So I'm trying to bait. I may put it on the red because it just kind of look right better on the red to me. So I'm just basically shaping these a little bit. So I'm just okay, guys, I think I have like a general idea how I want these rhinestones to go. So I'm debating if I want to leave this alone how it is with the hearts, or do I actually want to add like a cute little lip right there. I don't know. I feel like it'll be cute with some lips. I don't know. Guys, I did put like some little cute little frosted hearts on there. So I'm probably gonna go in with some red, silver, and pink rhinestones. Just, I don't know what I'm doing at this point. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I didn't do too much on the rhinestones as I had envisioned. It didn't come out how I envisioned. I do not really know how to do like rhinestone placements. Because again, I'm still a beginner, y'all. So this is how they came out. I like them somewhat. I should have just kept the stickers off and probably hand drew those hearts like that. But I wasn't testing my ability. That so it's look a little challenging. But tell me guys, what do you think about this look? Are you guys ready for Valentine's Day? I'm single, but who cares? I still like Valentine's Day. But how do you guys feel about this look? Leave your comment down below on, again, constructive criticism. I'm welcome to listen and read and listen and take in everything that you guys tell me, as well as, anything else you guys want me to just try. If y'all have like an idea, like try this nail set, let me know and I will try it for you guys. Maybe an epic fail, but hey, we got to learn, right? But other than that, don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up. And if you're feeling generous, once again, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.